Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making mashed potatoes, and these are the ingredients that you'll need. Some potatoes, milk, some garlic powder, some butter, and this is optional, some chicken seasoning, but it adds good flavor, and salt and pepper. And whenever you use the chicken seasoning, make sure you wait for the salt. Add that at the end because you may not need this at all. But you may want some black pepper. I'm going to rinse these potatoes first, and then I'm going to put them in our pot. I covered these potatoes in water, and now they're ready to go. You can boil these on high. Some people like to peel their potatoes first and chop them up and then put them in the pot. I don't like to do that because it seems like it adds more water that way. So I'd rather keep them like they are and boil them like this and then peel them later. So about to boil these now. These potatoes are done when they're fork tender. We're going to drain these potatoes and let them cool a little bit before we peel them. If you want a more rustic style potato, don't peel these. Alright, now we're going to mash them and season them. First thing is add a little bit of milk. A few tablespoons is good. A few splashes. We're just going to equal up to about 3 or 4 tablespoons because you don't want it to be watery. You can always add a little bit, and if you need to add some more, you can, but it's going to be very hard to take it away. We're going to add a few tablespoons of butter with a tablespoon of chicken bouillon seasoning. Just sprinkle that all over. And next we're going to add some garlic powder. At this point you can also add a little bit of black pepper. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Thanks.